Connie Hammond.
Okay, and Connie, you are a resident of where?
237 Beaver Street, Schuylerville.
Awesome, thank you very much. So tell me what happened today with the storms.
It was like suddenly, out of nowhere, it started to huge raindrops, and the wind came so violently that it really, I mean, as I walked to the door, it took the top of the tree, it took over that tree, and it knocked trees down in the woods. I mean, it was instant-like, and the rain was so bad it almost came through your windows that were closed. I mean, I was mopping up water in the house, for heaven's sakes. It was unbelievable, unbelievable. And it left as fast as it came, but it really ripped through. Really, really did.
And you said that you don't think it was a tornado. What makes you say that?
I thought it was, I don't really know, but it was almost like straight line winds to me. But I couldn't be sure because it happened so fast. It could have been a tornado dipping, but I mean, it totally took that tree right out of the ground and took the top out of this one. I mean, so it was at different levels, the wind.
Awesome.
It certainly was at different levels. And one of the men across the road told me it lifted up the back end of his truck.
It's craziness.
Yeah, it is.
Super crazy.
I've never seen, I really never seen it. Anything happen so fast, you wouldn't have a chance to turn around. I mean, I just happened to be to the door here as it happened. And I mean, and it just, boom, it was here and gone.
And you said you haven't seen anything like this?
No, I really, truly have not. And I'm 85. I've never seen anything like that ever come through here. I know we had a straight line wind up on King Road at one time. But that took the crops in the field, you know, just leveled everything. This was just out of nowhere. It could have been a tornado that dipped, you know, I don't know. Very, very scary. Unbelievable, but very fast and gone.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I just